Hi, how are you? I thought that maybe today we can discuss more than just the carnivore diet and give you a recipe. Maybe, like I was saying, we can discuss the reasons why we might choose to go carnivore or not. The thing is that a lot of people hear that with the carnivore diet or the keto diet, you lose a lot of weight. And that is a valid reason, but by itself is not a good enough reason to get into being a carnivore or a ketovore. The reason why is that if your goal is to lose your weight, and that's the reason why you follow the diet, there is a point in which you are at your ideal weight, and then sustaining the diet can be and feel restricted for a long time. So you are going to give yourself permission to eat what you cannot because you reached your goal. So after you reach that goal, what will be the reason to keep you eating that way? In a way, restricting yourself from, that piece of cake or the ice cream or the chips. And even though I guarantee you that the diet will take the food noise away. So my point is that you need powerful, wise. And I promise you that if you look really beyond just the weight, there are probably other issues in your life, such low energy, pain, chronic pain, such joint pains, maybe digestive issues, bloating, not being able to lose that, gut and that just heaviness that keep you, grounded all the time. So if those are very good reasons just to peak and to be able to strategize the diet. So I would like just to tell you that do not follow the carnivore diet or the keto diet just because of the weight loss, because you are not understanding that there are benefits beyond weight loss. Weight loss is just, it is important from the health benefits that you obtain from it, not because aesthetically you want to look a certain way. And regarding the way you want to look, I tell you, if you are trying to become someone that you are not, like your body is your body. You can lose the weight, but you still need to love your body the way it is. So self-acceptance, that is the very first step to have realistic expectations. And after you have realistic expectations and clear goals and reasons why you want to start this diet, you have to take it with small steps, because your body is going to go through a little bit of a crisis, right? And you need to be prepared to educate yourself about how to troubleshoot the so-called keto flu, or just simply having, sugar cravings and carb cravings. It might take a few weeks, so you need to know what to expect, because if you don't know, then is when you start having, a headache or feeling lightheaded, or having palpitations, a lot of changes. You don't have the energy, you are confused, and you said, oh my God, what am I doing? Because you are not expecting that. So you need to know that is coming and what to do to reverse it, prevent it, or help it. And it's pretty popular. You need to make sure that you keep your electrolytes in check, that you have enough fat, and then that you pay attention of course, to other issues that might raise your cortisol, that affect your insulin spikes because your glucose goes up. You need to watch for those, and you need to understand if you are under stress. That is super important, So the carnivore diet is excellent, but it needs you to be on top of it. You need to be responsible for your health. You need to know what you are doing, so you don't want to run away when you don't know what you are doing. You can just navigate it and just slowly witness yourself becoming healthier, becoming more energized with brain clarity that you haven't felt for 20 years, fixing, autoimmune illnesses, depression, eczema. You can see your body saying thank you. It's pretty amazing. Your skin is like, wow, like, how old am I? I mean, I never thought that at 60 I will feel this good. When, like a year ago, I felt that I was old. I was too old for anything. I thought that was my new reality. I had 25 pounds more, and I am 5'4". I have the terrible case of eczema. My thyroid stopped working, and all that reversed. After 6 months, I did not have, I have the scars of the eczema. So many things. My arthritis, I couldn't go for too long for walks with my dogs, and here I am walking. So those are my biggest reasons: playing with my grandchildren, being able to go for hikes with my family, and not just like before carnivore. I had to stay behind because I just simply couldn't do it. And I accepted that was my reality from that moment on. But thank God I said, I don't freaking think so. This needs to change. Carbs, sugars, those addictions are real and they are tough, I tell you. So you need a lot of support. You need to get a coach, or you need to get a friend. You need somebody to hold your hand, because if you're gonna go through it and just become the best version of yourself and commit to health, I tell you, it takes work and commitment and perseverance. But after you feel it in yourself, you do it with pleasure. So if you just focus on the weight loss, if that is what is important to you, that might not be a good enough reason for you to stay committed. So that is what I wanted to talk to you about today. Thank you. I'm sorry if when I'm talking I kind of go through the tangents. It's because I don't have a script. I speak from my coaching, counseling, and personal experience. So I'm here to help, and this is the reason why I made this channel, and I can help you so much. I can give you a recipe or two. I'm a lioness mostly, so I just have beef. Anyhow, sorry. Speaking about just going through the tangents, I am here to help. So please, in the comments, if you got this far, ask me questions. Please, let's connect. I want to get to know you. I invite you tomorrow. I'm gonna be with Dr. Kiltz again. It's my real pleasure. So go check him out, and I hope to see you tomorrow there as well. So for now, as I always do, thank you so much for tuning in this channel. If you like it, just press the little bell, subscribe, give me a like. Hope to see you next time.